This video tutorial I will explain what is the difference between hardware and software in computer. A computer has two main parts, hardware and software. Both work together to make the computer function. Now we will see the hardware. First one is monitor, displays images and text. Next one is keyboard, used for typing. Next one is mouse, helps to click and move things. Next one is CPU or central processing unit. CPU is the brain of the computer which processes the data. Next one is RAM, random access memory, which helps the computer to run fast by temporarily storing the data. Next one is hard drive or SSD, which is used to store the files and programs permanently. Next one is printer, speakers and webcam, which are additional devices for output. If a computer is like a human, hardware is like the body, like hands, eyes, brain, etc. What is software? Software is a set of instructions that tell the computer what to do. It is not physical and cannot be touched. For example, if a computer is like a human, software is like a mind, thoughts, ideas, and instructions. Operating system, which is used to manage the computer. Example of operating systems are Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android. Applications, programs used for a task. For example, MS Word, Google Chrome, WhatsApp. System software helps the hardware to run smoothly. Games and multimedia software. It is used for entertainment and creativity. What are the key differences between hardware and software? Hardware is physical parts of the computer. Software is programs and instructions. You can touch hardware, but you cannot touch software. Examples of hardwares are CPU, RAM, monitor, keyboard. Examples of softwares are Windows OS, MS Word, and Google Chrome. Hardware helps in running and processing data. Software tells the hardware what to do. Hardware can be repaired or replaced. Software can be reinstalled or updated. How hardware and software work together? You use hardware like keyboard or mouse to give instructions to the computer. For example, you type a letter using the keyboard. The software like word processor takes the input and process it. For example, word processor saves the letter you typed. The hardware like monitor or printer shows or gives you the result. For example, you see the letter on the screen or print it on the paper. Both hardware and software need each other. A computer cannot work without both. Hardware needs software to function and software needs hardware to run. Why hardware and software are important? Hardware and software must work together for a computer to function. Software is the mind. Without software, the hardware wouldn't know what to do. Hardware is the body. Without hardware, the computer wouldn't exist. For example, a monitor needs software to display images and software needs a monitor to show results. Now we will see the conclusion. Hardware is the body of the computer, software is the mind of the computer. Both are working together, makes a computer useful. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.